So today I'm reviewing this black cardamom, and it comes with 4 ounces. You have to keep in a cool, dry place, and it's a product of Vietnam, and the shelf life is 24 months. This is the packaging. This is what you receive, and this is good to make pho, as far as I know. And there's a lot of other things you can use it with, but it's a pretty big spice. This is how it looks. It smells like, I don't know how to describe the smell, but it comes with a good bit in here, and they're all around the same size really, which is good, and none of them are crushed, which I'm very happy about. This is how the details look. It's like it has like a hint of mint in it as well, but it's a really good smell, and I would definitely recommend you guys try this and use it as a spice and see how your food would taste.